Hey there, kids! Today, we're going to talk about something really cool: magnetic fields. Now, don't worry, we're not going to get all technical. We're going to make it as simple as
that
possible,
attract metal
using
objects like
examples
a
from our
magnet
everyday
to a
life.
fridge.
So,
Well,
let's start
guess
with
what?
a common
The
example.
fridge is
Have
also
you ever
a
played with a
magnet.
magnet? It's not a small one, but a big one that's used to keep your food cold. But here's the fun part: if you put a magnet on your fridge, it will stick. And if you try to take it off, it won't come off easily. That's because the magnet in your fridge creates a magnetic field around it. Now, this magnetic field is like a giant invisible force field that surrounds the magnet. It's so powerful that it can even attract other magnets or metal objects. And that's what happens when you put a magnet on your fridge. But here's something even more interesting. If you take that magnet and try to move it away from the fridge, it will be pulled back towards the fridge. That's because the magnetic field is pulling it back. Now, this magnetic field isn't just limited to magnets. In fact, every magnet has its own unique magnetic field. And these fields can be really strong, like the one in your fridge. So there you have it, kids. That's the power of magnetic fields. They're like invisible forces that can pull or push objects, depending on the direction of the magnetic field. And they're all around us, in things like your fridge, speakers, and even your computer. And that's why magnets are so cool, right? They can do things that other objects can't, all because of their magnetic fields. So, the next time you see a magnet, remember, it's not just a piece of metal. It's a mini generator of its own invisible force field. And that's the power of magnetic fields. Thanks for joining me today, kids.